Hi there, welcome to GridMate Learning Channel. Today we will walk you through how to enable pagination in the Pivot Grid component and understand how one key setting, the paging field name, dramatically changes how your data is fetched and displayed. Let's get started. Right now, we have a standard page size set to 100. Since we haven't set a paging field name, the grid simply loads a fixed number of records per page. You might see 2 forecasts from opportunity A and 3 from opportunity B. This means forecasts from several opportunities may be displayed, but not all forecasts from any single opportunity. This can be problematic if you're trying to make decisions based on complete data, especially in a forecasting scenario. Now, let's enable hierarchical pagination. Click on the gear icon, then edit the Lightning page on the App Builder. Select your component and look for Enable Pagination, then check that box. Additionally, remove the page size and set the paging field name to Opportunity, because forecasts are related to opportunities. Notice the change? Now, each opportunity is displayed with all its related forecasts fully loaded on the same page. Instead of paginating individual records, we're paginating by parent, meaning each opportunity gets loaded fully with all its forecasts. Let's go a step further and apply a pagination filter. In this case, we want to display only the forecasts related to opportunities under the current account. This filter will ensure that we're only fetching records where the account ID matches the current record. So the grid is configured specifically for that account's data. If you want more control over how your records are ordered within pagination, you can also set the pagination sort and pagination order. Now click Save and head back to your Pivot Grid. Now our data is fully loaded and well structured. We're only fetching the forecasts related to opportunities under this account. Thank you for watching.